I know it's kind of loud right now, but I wanted to record and show. This is the hatcher. You can see this is the ink bird kit, the Incukit my husband bought for me. There's one of the heaters there. There's the other heater there. And then and this is what I use to hatch it. But what I do is, you can find this shelf paper at Walmart. It's easy liner, smooth. I do the smooth top, but this type, the one that doesn't have the holes, I actually use on my very bottom. But you can see there's little holes in here. So I do that. That way the air still flows, but there's traction for the babies, and it helps in cleaning after I hatch. And then I'm kind of ghetto fabulous on my humidity and all that, but it works. I mean, it is a very good hatcher. This thing has good percentages. And let's see, I guess since I'm doing this, I can do over here. I've got the GQF with the turning, and you can see I put we actually put a spout in there and cut a hole in it so I can dump water in. And you can see I put extra thermometers in all of them. And then we just got this one on Saturday, maybe Friday. I found it, or actually Phil found it on Facebook for $200. You can see in here, there's everything, and you can see these trays. So even with these trays, I'll probably lay stuff down, although I try not to hatch in the same one that I incubated, because birth is messy, really messy. And then, believe it or not, I know people say to turn eggs, but in my experience and what I've been dealing with, this has been my most reliable. The one with, you can see it's got the rods. I have to clean it, which is what I'm doing. But that has been my most reliable hatcher this year. Anyways, I thought I would show my incubators. And then this one messed up everything. As soon as I turned this off and stopped using it completely, I went from hatching maybe 20 or 30 out of 200 to hatching 140 chicks. What we're going to do on this one is we're going to go ahead and put one of these Incukit in it, and then I'll have the ability to set eggs in there. So I'll have something, be able to set something like over 1,000 eggs and then hatch. I can do an 88 tray for each of those and hatch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 88. And we added these wooden slats here to try to keep the babies from falling down. It helps separate a little bit because I have so many breeds. Anyways, thought I'd update you on that.